We are getting ready to update the outside of our house, and I'm so excited. One of the biggest changes we're going to make is changing the paint color. Well, there are a lot of paint colors to choose from. I'm this close to choosing the color for the outside of our house, but I wanted to rewind a little bit and take you through my process of choosing a paint color. Let's go for a drive. My first tip is to drive around neighborhoods that you know are updated and well done, and maybe houses similar to your house's style, and just see what you like about the houses that you see. I'm looking for something that is like a rich color, not too dark. I don't want white. As much as I love a white painted brick house, there's a lot of them. I want to do something a little different. My biggest struggle is liking too many things. So I have to really pinpoint what I want my house to look like. Make sure your phone is in live mode for photos so that you can creep on by and take a picture. But you don't have to stop, because we don't want to be creepy. I love technology these days because I can upload the pictures that I took into an app on my phone, and it'll give me similar colors to choose from. Then I can take those color options to the store, get samples made to test out on our house. I'm painting really big swatches so I can get a good read of the color over a big area. And I'm painting it on several different sections of my house because the lighting is different on different parts of your house, and you want to go out and look at the samples different times of day because the sunlight changes colors and can change the color of the paint. So whether you're painting it yourself or hiring someone to paint it, it's a lot of time and money involved, and we don't want to do it again anytime soon. Finally have my paint color narrowed down to just one. So I've picked up a quart of it, and I'm going to use just a regular old paint sprayer to paint a big swatch on the side of the house, cover up the old samples so that I can get a true look at what this house looks like before I buy 10 gallons of paint. It can be an involved process to pick the right paint color, but well worth the effort when you're painting the entire exterior of your house. That's not something you want to have to do too often. So I hope you're able to use a few of my tips to pick the right paint color for your house. Thanks for checking in.